Hi, welcome to another training session from Bosch Home & Garden. My name is Norbert and this is Dino Oberle, our product expert.
Yeah, thanks Norbert, and also a very warm welcome from my side.
Dino, let's talk about our brand new UniversalHammer 18 volt and let's clean up with some cliches. The opinion outside is sometimes huge tools, a lot of power, and smaller tools, maybe less power. But in this case, it's not right.
Yeah, right, not in this case, because we have here a very small handy tool, but it's very powerful because it goes up to 2 joules, and it means also idle for hammer drilling, not only for 10 millimeters, up to 16 millimeters. So idle for renovation works, for chiseling works, but also for normal drill works in wood, in metal or other materials. Also for screw driving, and you can work very long and very comfortable because of the decoupled handle.
Yeah, sounds like a very versatile tool, Dino, 4-in-1. We are talking about chiseling, hammering, screwing, and also drilling up to 16 millimeters. Dino, the user outside is always asking for specific tasks for all those applications. Could you maybe name it?
Yes, of course. That's the idle hammer, of course, for the normal standard works, like 6, 8, 10 millimeters, which are the normal dowel sizes. But because of this very powerful hammer, you can go up to 16 millimeters, which is very big. So that means also for breakouts, for example, for water pipes or similar materials, but also for chiseling. That means removing tiles, for example, or cable channels in the walls. And for that, we have here different chisels and also special chisels like this tile chisel, which is very easy and very comfortable for removing tiles. And you have here also the possibility in this hammer, if the positioning of the chisel is not very good now for handling, for working, then here you can have this position of the switch, and then easily you can move this chisel in every position, fix it, and then can start with your work. And you can repositioning the chisel also very easily. Here only put the switch in the position, repositioning the chisel, and then go on with your work. And also in combination with the adapter chuck, which in some cases is included, or you can buy it extra. You can fix it here and then use normal standard round shafted drills for metal, for plastic, or for wood, for example, but also for here this bit holder, and also use it then for screw driving. And with the decoupled handle, you can work with the spring mechanism very long and very easy, especially by exhausting works.
Okay. Do you know, I already noticed this metal chuck, high quality metal chuck, and you also mentioned it, but here we are talking about SDS, right?
Yes, for hammer drilling, of course, you need the SDS Plus hammer drills, and yeah, here you have the standard SDS Plus chuck included, so they can use all standard SDS Plus drill bits.
Okay, a very sensitive topic is the topic security, safety while working. What about this?
Yeah, for that I would prefer, if you are drilling, that you use here the positioning of this second handle here in this position, because if you use now these drill bits, and sometimes it could happen that you have a blockade in the wall, for example, then you have a better positioning here. You can hold it better the hammer. Yep. And here the back side, you see also the positioning of your hand. You can use it here upside, so then you have it on the same positioning like the drill bit, and then you can work very easy and very comfortable with that. And also, of course, we have a rotation control. If there is a blockade and you cannot hold it anymore, that the tool stops then.
Yeah, we heard a lot about this tool, Dino. You mentioned a lot of features about this tool, Dino. Would you maybe add anything else?
Yes, of course. For that, I will take in a battery. And now you can see that we have here variable speed control. That means you can higher up the speed, lower the speed for a variety of different materials. Also in the front, we have here the LED, so that you can illuminate dark areas. And also in the handle, we have here the indicator for the battery, so that you can see how full is the battery, how long you can work with the battery. And I would prefer to work with the tool with that big diameter, that we can see how strong is the tool. Of course, for that, let's take the goggles for our own protection also the earplugs. And now put it in this hard concrete.
Seems to be very easy and also very strong, very powerful. Dino, in the meantime, I grabbed our existing 18-volt hammer, our Uneo Max. Dino, I guess it's also a hammer, but it's not the same tool, right?
Yeah, it's also a pneumatic hammer, but it's very small, very handy. So let's say idle for the daily work, 6, 8, 10 millimeters dowel sizes. If you want to make really hard renovation work, more than 10 millimeters, or chiseling work, our new UniversalHammer is the right tool.
Yeah, very simple and very clear to understand. It's not the same tool and not for the same application. Thanks, Dino. Dino, I already noticed all those battery, and this tool is another part of the 18-volt battery system. But in this case, which battery would you recommend?
Yes, of course, you can use all our 18-volt batteries of the Power for All Alliance system. But if you need the full power of the tool, that means if you drill more than 10 millimeters or you want chisel with the tool, then I would recommend batteries which have more than 4 ampere hours.
Yeah, Dino, many thanks. You gave us a lot of information about this tool. I think it's quite important to summarize it a bit for our users. Dino, it's a 4-in-1 tool for chiseling, screwing, drilling up to 16 millimeters and also hammering. It's also a part of the 18-volt battery system. And due to the rotation and vibration control, it's perfect for more comfort and support while using. Yeah, thanks, Dino. To be honest, this tool is really impressive. If you would like to know anything more about this tool or even other tools, if you would like to have some more information about my Bosch or how to order spare parts, then visit us on our webpage bosch-diy.com. If you would like to have some more clips and information about tools with Dino, our product expert, then visit us on our YouTube channel. Subscribe here, and if you like it, leave a thumbs up.
Yes, and I wish you a lot of fun with our tools and see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Outtakes.
But also you can go up to 16 millimeters, for example, for small water pipes, or if you have to bring or to wood and to make and to hammering and through the wall and making it and doing it all the time, yes?
All the time.
You have here the positioning, the side, do you know what I mean?
We heard a lot of this tool, a lot of...
It means you can go up with the speed or lower the speed, so for a variety of different materials.